Dedication. Happy birthday, sis. You know what I'm saying? So take you back one time. On a birthday note. Yup. Every corner, every city, every place where life's a little easy, a little Hennessy, but life is cool every hour, 'cause it's so good. We are the strength to the world outside. Every grown-up will be alright. Nothing but peace, love, street passion. Everybody needs a Thugz mansion. Break it down one time for your mind. Happy birthday. God has blessed you with another to add to your day. Let you enjoy, embrace the feel of the life you live. Please believe, 'cause you know He'll give you strength to get through anything you got to go through. Things don't get ugly before they get better. Please believe they gon' get better. Did I just say bitter? Rewind and take your mind on one line. Got to let you know how much your Usos love you. Got to say happy birthday, Nika. Number 22. On the 17th, the angel was taken from heaven and set upon this earth. Another thing, I'm taking this time to dedicate to all the 90s babies. Jonah, Naira, Nika, what maybe today's your day. Let it rain. Speaking from a 1988 baby, I'm getting kinda old, but I ain't tripping, truth be told. Bless and let it be. We gon' be here for you, family. Times with you feels like we're on a natural high. Yeah, I'm freestyling for you, giving you bars that straight off my mind. Hey, family's so important, you got to recognize. Open up your eyes, please realize that it's just your fam that got your back. When times get tough, yeah, you know they strapped that. Strapped hat, let me define that. I got to let you know they always got your back, regardless of the fact, everything that you've been through. Messing up, it ain't tripping, 'cause you know they stay true. Through the days and all the nights, you're hanging out, feeling no life. You're in the darkness, they brought you right back, they got your back. I think I said that 3 times, but I ain't tripping, just to stress the fact my life ain't flipping, because my family got me. Recognize, please believe, see, and these times with you feel like we're on a natural high. Make us want to touch the sky. The only thing I know to relax your whole mind, we just fix up a bowl and this is so unwind. But the only thing I know to relax the whole mind, we just fix up a bowl and let this so unwind. Because I'm a South Pacific, someone from the ocean. I'm swimming like I only like in the ocean. Silky smooth you, hey, I know you wanna touch me too. Feeling good, but I ain't tripping. Another night, that's right. Say the L, the A, the V-A-T-A-I, the Lavata'i, recognize. I say the T T, the I, the U, the M, the A, L, U. Don't want you. Don't want you. Drink up, drink up, drink up, it goes down. Say drink up, drink up, drink up, it goes down. Drink up, drink up, Happy birthday, sis. Love you. Peace.